Our next program is related to reading an integer that is being given by the user and check whether the number entered is prime or not. However, you hope you all know what is a prime number. A number that is having only that number as a factor other than 1 is represented as prime number. So let us first observe the output so that you will have an idea over how to display the output window. I am entering here some number like 2. I am submitting. The given number is prime. Okay. If I am giving some number which is having more factors, then it should display that the number is not a prime number. So now let us understand the help of the program. Here we are writing JavaScript code. I am mentioning function name as fun. Variable I have declared here. Count is initialized to 0 and I am considering for loop here. Why am I taking for loop? In order to read the data that is being entered in the text box. That's the reason the condition here it is taken as form1 dot text1 dot value. So form1 indicates whatever the output we have seen, that is represented as form. This is a form which is having a text box. This is the text box. And here whatever we display, that is being written in the code, and this is the button. So I'll be writing similar to that the code. So I'm checking the condition. Whenever I is initialized to 1, 1 should be less than or equal to form1 dot text1 dot value. Then what it should do? It should take that 1 and division operation must be performed so that the remainder is equal to 0. Whenever the remainder is equal to 0, the count will increment to 1. Likewise, the process continues until this condition is failed. If we are encountering count is equal to 2, whenever the count is incremented to value 2, then automatically the number is prime. Why? Because the number as well as 1, only 2 factors any prime number will be having. That's the reason we need to check the count variable value. Whenever it is equal to 2, then automatically it is prime. If we are encountering other values also for the count value, it means other than 2, the count is being exceeded to 3 or 4 or 5 or any number other than 2, then automatically we get an alert message that the number is not a prime. We are closing the script, closing the head tag, and in body tag, whatever we have displayed at the center, that is prime or not number checking. That is in center which with H3 heading. So form name is given as form1. On submit, whenever we are clicking on submit button, automatically this function should work over. That's the reason we are using here on submit equal to function we are calling here. Enter some number, it is just display message, br tag, one line break, and input type equal to text. We need to enter text in the text box, and the name for the text box is given as text1. That's the reason here we have taken under form1 text1, and input type equal to submit, value is given as submit, close form, close body, close HTML. This is how we work on this program. Hope everyone have followed the program. Thank you.